Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be trying to recreate a Jeffree Star Blood Sugar look but using my Revolution Red Alert palette, and this is the look. So if you want to see how I did this and if it's any similar to the look that I'm trying to recreate, then just keep on watching. Okay, so for doing this look with my Red Alert palette, I went on Pinterest and also on Instagram to find a look done with the Blood Sugar palette. And I'm going to be trying to recreate this look. And this was done by Didi Glows. I will leave her Instagram handle here. She has really beautiful looks. And she doesn't exactly say what shades she used, but she did say she used the Blood Sugar palette, so I'm gonna try to figure it out. So I am going to start by priming this lid with the Revolution Conceal and Define. And to kind of help me blend the upper part, I'm going to use a little bit of this shade. Top part she seems to have used a bright pink, so I'm gonna take this shade in the middle and she brings the eyeshadow very far out, so I'm gonna do that too. I'm going to deepen my crease with this shade that is slightly darker than the other one. And recreating looks is not always easy because of different eye shapes. I'm going to do my best. I'm just taking again the brush that had that bright pink to blend the edge of this. Now there's that a lot darker part right above the gold. So I'm really going to deepen the crease with this shade, this one, that is the darker one on this palette. This will probably look really bad before it looks good. Now I'm going to blend the edge of this with this color. Let me know in the comments below if you have the Blood Sugar palette. For me, it's definitely a palette that I would like to get. I really love the colors and the packaging, and I also really like Jeffree. Taking a little bit more of that bright pink. I think I'm gonna try to deepen up a little bit more. So I'm really packing the color on this lower part. And this is one of those things that is not easy for different eye shapes because I have hooded eyes. And I'm gonna probably need to go a little bit up on the gold. Okay, so now I'm gonna try and do that kind of cut crease and wing shape. Okay, so I definitely lost a little bit of depth there. So I'm going to take this gold color This is really nothing like I've ever done before. I'm really bringing it out because I'll later clean it up with a wipe. Because I did lose a little bit of depth there, I'm gonna blend the edge of that gold with the same brush that I used for the dark purple and see if I don't mess it up. I go a little bit over it with a more detailed brush, with the gold. So adding a little bit of that dark purple. And yeah, I think it's kind of working, but it definitely looks different. And now, under the gold, she does have a purple liner, so I'm gonna add a little bit more concealer, and then I'm going to use this shade, and it's the most similar. This is definitely not easy to do with hooded eyes. Okay, so then I'll have to clean it up. But it's mostly this. It definitely looks different and not necessarily better, but I'm going to try and do the same thing on the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, a lot of time later, I have done the same thing on my other eye, kind of, and I cleaned it up, did the rest of my face, finished this eye, and now for the lower lash line. I'm going to use this shade close to the root of the lashes, and then I'm going to blend it with a mix of these two shades. I'm also adding a little bit of that eyeliner shade and gonna try to make that line a little bit less harsh. I've used the Kiko Everlasting Gel on my waterline, and she does have false lashes. I don't really get the hang of those, but I have used my most false lash effect mascara, that is the Kiko Standout Volume Buildable. And for my inner corner and brow bone, I used a little bit of this white shade and then a little bit of this pink shimmer on top. Okay, so again, this is what I was trying to recreate, and this is what I managed to do. Does it look nice? Well, I think it does, but it doesn't look similar. The colors, especially on this upper part, aren't exactly there. The gold is definitely similar, and again, this purple is not exactly the same. If I had to give it a rate, I would give it a 4, 5. Mostly because the colors are definitely not similar. But I did do my best and I still think it looks nice. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know if you think that with this palette I could have done it better. Or maybe this way we saw that it's not 100% a dupe. I did choose something a little bit challenging. I definitely could have gone for something a lot easier. But still, I think this performed really well. And if you liked this look, then give me a thumbs up. And if this isn't exactly the thing for you, in my next video I'm going to be doing a kind of back to work or back to school makeup, only using drugstore products. So if you'd like to see that, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every Monday and Thursday. And that is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!